So let's see 26th question, guys. So guys, if you find this videos to be helpful for you, at least if it is helpful for 1% also, then please guys do share it, like it, and try to increase our family. Okay, so guys, here if you see, the question is, will also be doing the questions of Akash Institute, Motion Institute, and many institutes, and many questions will be doing till the examination. Will be doing some 5,000 questions, guys. Okay, so let's do it. So there are two parallel wires in free space are 10 centimeter apart, and each carries a current of 10 ampere in the same direction. The force one wire exerts on the other per meter of length is. So guys, there are two parallel wires in free space. The two parallel wires in free space, and they are separated by a distance of how much? They are separated by a distance of 10 centimeter. Okay, so you need to find out the force on the wire and whether it is attractive or repulsive, that also. So guys, if the current is in the same direction, then they are attractive, they are attracting each other. When they are in opposite direction, one is up, one is down, or up, down, or anything, that opposite direction, repulsion. Okay, so what is the formula, guys? Formula is F is equal to, remember this formula, very very important, mu naught by 4 pi 2 into, because two wires, I1 I2 by A is nothing but distance between them. So let's do it. Shut. So if we'll check it out, check here. This is mu naught by 4 pi is nothing but 10 to the power minus 7 into 2. I1 is how much, guys? 10 amperes. I2 is also 10 amperes. Distance between them is 10 centimeters, so I can take 10 to the power minus 1. So if this goes up, then it will become 2 into 10 to the power. This will go. No. This will also add. This will also add. This will become 10 to the power 3 minus 10 to the power 7. So it will be how much? This will be how much? 2 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 7 minus 3, 4 minus 4, and they are in the same direction, then we will take it as attractive force. Okay, let's talk about the question that is also very interesting one. So there is a circular coil, its radius is something 10 centimeter. It has how many turns? It has 500 turns, and resistance is 2 ohm. Placed in its plane perpendicular to the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field. It is rotated about vertical diameter to 90 degree in 0.25 seconds. This the induced EMF in the coil is. So such an interesting question. See how to do it. So what they're saying, there's a coil. Okay, radius 10 centimeter, number of turns 500, resistance is given. Plane, it is given with is placed with its plane perpendicular to the horizontal. So this is the horizontal, its plane is perpendicular. It means its area is making how much angle, guys? 0 degrees. Okay, cos 0 is 1. Okay, so no problem with the angle. Okay, it is rotated about its vertical diameter 90 degree in 0.25 seconds. The induced EMF of the coil. So see, induced EMF is nothing but minus d phi by dt. So E is nothing but minus d phi by dt. So how to remember this formula? E is equal to minus d phi by dt. That's okay. How to remember in terms of B, A, and number of turns, and time in seconds? How to do that? So that is this simple formula, that is ban by t. Actually it's ban cos theta. E is ban cos theta by t. Since cos theta is here 0 degrees, that is 1, so we'll neglect that. Ban by t. So B is how much, guys? It is given in question, that is 10 to the minus 5 into 3 in 10 to the power how much? Minus 2. So this way you need to do it, guys. 3 into 10 to the power minus 5, 3.14, because you have to take what? Area. Radius is given pi r square, so r is 0.1. 10 centimeter I said, no, so 0.1 meters, so 500 by 0.25, so we'll get something as 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 3. So you have to remember what is equal to minus d phi by dt, which is equal to tan cos theta by t. Okay, let's see another thing. The magnetic potential energy stored in a certain inductor is how much? Is 25 millijoules. When the current in the inductor is 50 milliampere, the inductance is how much? So guys, for this question you need to know that energy stored is half Li square. Like how you write half mv square, similarly half Li square. L is inductance, okay? Half L we need to find out. This is given 25 millijoules, convert into joules, minus 3, and L current is given 50 milliampere, 50 into 10 to the power minus 6. Can I take this? Okay, so this will go that side, it will also become 50 cancel, minus 3 cancel. We are remained with how much? 10 to the power 1000 by 50, isn't it? So it will be 20. So how much? L is equal to 20. Simple calculation, you need to remember the formula. U is equal to Li square. Let's move to the next question. The potential difference across the resistance, capacitance, inductance 80 volt, 40 volt, 100 volt respectively in an LCR circuit. The power factor of the circuit is. So you need to know the power factor. So guys, power factor in such a case you have to take tan phi is VL minus VC by VR. VL is given, that is 100. Inductance, potential difference across the resistance, capacitance, inductance. So 100 minus 40 by 80, 60 by 80. 2 3 6 to 4 side, that is 3 by 4. Phi is equal to 3 by 4. Phi is 3 by 4 guys. 3 by 4 means 37 degrees.
Half power
37 degrees. Okay, this 37 degrees we found out the angle, but power factor is actually cos phi. I'm writing very big, cos 5 to remember, so that you can remember. Okay, cos 5. 37 cos 37 is how much? 4 by 5. That is 0.8. So answer is 0.8. First you need to find out tan phi. How do you find out? VL minus VC, no square at all, VL minus VC by VR, tan phi. So in this case we got something like 60 by 80. 6 by means 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means what guys? 3 by 4. So see here, there is the diagram here, right angle triangle, 3 by 5, right? And 4 by 5 we have to do. So this one is 5. So if I take this is 90 degree, this is 53, this is 37 degrees, 53 degrees. So that is what we got. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This is what? Tan phi. 3 by 4. That is 37 degrees. Cos 37, 4 by 5. Let's see the another question. The frequency of light wave in a medium is given, wavelength is given, refractive index. Guys, you know what refractive index is? C by V. Like if the light is going with c velocity in air or vacuum, how much velocity it will go in that is c by v, so that is refractive index. And what is v? V is nothing but mu lambda. Remember this is also helpful in waves and all questions in chemistry also. Chemistry last is asked based on this only. V is equal to mu lambda. If it's a vacuum or something, that free space, this C is equal to mu lambda. So remember this formula, guys. I'm writing very big so that you can remember. V is equal to mu lambda. Did you get it? So डब्बे में रख लो. Okay. So if you solve it, you'll get that. So let's move to the next question. So the next question says, this is a very important question. Very important question. Question of the day. So something you will get answer as 3. Okay. Okay, let's see the next question. Okay, so an object is there, it is first placed at infinity, okay, and next first it is placed on infinity. This is a lens, okay, and we are keeping the object in front of the lens, and once the object was in infinity, so that, and then at 20 centimeter from the object side focal length of a object side focal length. See, you just see how they're twisting the question. Plane of a convex lens. Okay, the two images thus formed at a 5 centimeter apart. The focal length of the lens. A very interesting question. So see, first they are formed at infinity. 1 by f is 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is the lens formula. U is infinity. Okay, so this is, leave it. F is equal to v. Agreed, isn't it? For the second case, what did they say? It said that 20 centimeter. If you miss this, you cannot do this question. From what? 20 centimeter from F. From F. So 1 by F is 1 by V. 1 by V. And what they said, the two images thus formed are 5 centimeter apart. 5 centimeter apart means, guys, it is 5F plus 5. Because infinity means this only, right? F is equal to V. So F, this minus U. U is how much? I have to take negative because opposite to the incident rays. F plus 20. Solve it. How to solve? Okay, I will help you in this. 1 by F5 plus F plus 1 by F plus 20. How do we do this? So I'll take F as common. 1 by F as common. 5 plus 20 plus 5. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 20. 20. 4 plus 1. 5 by 20. 4 is a 20. So if you solve it, guys, you'll get 10 centimeters. You'll get 10 centimeters. So you need to know some maths and you can calculate this. Or else you can check with the option. Let's check with the option. So let's check with 5 centimeters, okay? Okay, 1 by F. 1 by 5 is equal to 5 plus 5 is 10. Minus of minus means let's take plus here. 5 plus 20, 25. This LCM will be how much? Yes, this method in last class I showed you. Let's take 5 2s are 5 5s are 2s are, then 5s are 5 5 20 50. 5 plus 5, 10 by 50. So yeah, we got 5. One by 5. So 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 I got. How it is possible? Let's try with 10. 10 is equal to, this should be equal to this, 15 plus, okay, 10 plus 20, 30. 2 plus 1, 3. 10. So this is the correct one. In the previous one, what we were doing, 10 plus 5 plus 25. We took LCM wrong, I think. So how it happened, let's check it out. 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 here 2. 5 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. 50. 1 by 25 into 50. 2s are 50. Oh, we are getting 7 by 50, which is not equal to 1 by 5. This is wrong, guys. So the correct option is 10 centimeter. You can check with the options. It's time consuming question. Very how the frame, see, 20 centimeter from the object side's focal length, focal plane of convex lens. And one thing you need to remember, for convex length, f is positive. Even for convex mirror also. Okay, let's talk about 32 question. The focal length of the objective of a terrestrial telescope FO is given, that is 80 centimeter. Parallel rays, then its magnifying power is how much? 20. If the focal length of the erecting lens is, erecting means FE is how much? 20 centimeter. Then the full length of the telescope. This might, I think you might know this, how to do. So magnification is given. It is how much? 20. That is nothing but F naught by F. Why I took like this? Because parallel rays they mentioned. Parallel rays means infinity. Object is an infinity. For that, magnification is F naught by Fe. And length is what? F naught plus length is what? Distance between that you have to take, guys. F naught plus 4F. This question is lengthy. If you have already practiced so many questions, you can do it. So this is the answer. So F naught is how much? It's given, right? That is how much? 80. 4 times F. F is how much? 20. F we need to find out. Okay, so this will be 100. And okay, we'll check this question later, guys. This is a very lengthy question. We'll do it in a detailed session. Okay, this is a lengthy question. We need to understand the concept, everything for this question. Huygens principle cannot be used to explain. This is very important theoretical question. Huygens principle use the phenomena of light as reflection, refraction and diffraction, but does not polarization. It cannot explain polarization. Polarization, we have Malus law. Okay, it cannot explain polarization. Reflection, refraction, well done. Reflection, refraction, diffraction, but polarization failed. Okay, the ratio of wavelengths of the last line of Balmer series and the first line of Lyman series. Last line of Balmer and first line of Lyman. So how do we do that? The wavelength of last line of Balmer series, that is 1 by lambda is equal to what? We'll get the final answer. Check. Yeah, 3 is the final answer. So my method is correct. So check it here. 1 by lambda is, I said what? The question said that last line of Balmer series. So last line is nothing but it is coming from infinity. So we'll take it as 0. Balmer means 2. 1 by 2 square 4. So this become r by 4. 1 by lambda. Lambda is 4 by r. So for first case we got 4 by r. What? Lambda. For the second case they are saying first line of Lyman series. Lyman means 1 and first line is 2. 2 to 1. Okay. So 1 by lambda r into 1 by 4 minus 1. This is 3 by 4. Means 4 by 3 r. They are asking what ratio. So first we got how much? First we got 4. What? We got 4 by r, right? Balmer series 4 by r. Second we got 3 r by 4, I guess. Okay, 3 by 4 are. Oh, 1 minute. First we got what? 4 by r. In the second case we got 3r by 4, that is 3r by 4. So here we'll reverse it. Here it will get reverse. 4 by 3r. 3 is the answer. Option number 4. Okay, next question. Okay, next question is good question, very good question. So the two nucleons are at separation of 10 to the power minus 15 meters. The net force between them is F1. Nucleons के बीच में कितना है? F1. न्यूट्रॉन्स के बीच में 2 न्यूट्रॉन्स, F2. प्रोटॉन्स के बीच में F3. अदर प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन इन सच अ केस क्या होता है? F1 is equal to F2 is equal to F3. So सारे फोर्स इक्वल होने वाले हैं ये guys. The options are very tough. If you see the option, you can't answer this question. But you need to remember the fact that nuclear forces are charge independent, but there exists a repulsive force between two protons. Hence, net attractive force between two protons is less than net attractive force between two neutrons between a neutron and a proton. What? Forces are charge independent, but there exists a repulsive force between two protons. Repulsive force. Hence, net attractive force between two protons is less than net attractive force between two neutrons or between a proton and a neutron. Okay. So guys, in this question I apologize for the explanation what I gave. Actually the explanation what I gave was wrong actually. Why? Because the question what they gave and what options they gave, that is not matching. Like correct option is this one only, F1, F2, F3. This is the correct option, but they gave us second option, but it is fourth option. So let it be whatever it might be. The explanation what is given here is correct, and what I thought is also correct. So let's see. See guys, F1 is the force between what? Two nucleons, means two neutrons. F2 is force between proton and proton. This is F3 is proton and neutron. So neutron and proton same force, but proton neutron, because neutron will repel, proton will repel, proton and neutron they will attract. So this is the answer. They gave wrong option is wrong, explanation they gave correct. Nuclear forces are charge independent, but there exists a repulsive force between two protons. Hence, net attractive force between two protons is less than net attractive force between two neutrons or between a proton and a neutron. If the kinetic energy of the particle is increased to 16 times its previous value, the percentage change in its de Broglie's wavelength of the particle. Very interesting question, guys. Answer is 75%. There I have given a very huge explanation. Let me simplify it. So lambda is nothing but h by root 2m kinetic energy. How do we know this? So if you forget this relation, what you need to do is some empty space. Can I find here? No. Okay. So see here. De Broglie's wavelength h by mv, h by p. P is nothing but h by root 2 mk. h by root 2 mk. Root 2 mk. K is kinetic energy. So lambda is. So I can say that lambda is inversely proportional to kinetic energy, because here in question they are relating these two. root of kinetic energy. Inverse equation root of kinetic energy. Okay, so lambda initially is lambda only, finally it is 16 lambda. I want what? Okay, 1 moment. It's kinetic energy of the particle. Okay, kinetic energy is 16 times. This is lambda dash. This is lambda. Lambda by lambda dash root of by k 4. Lambda dash is lambda by 4. Lambda minus lambda by 4 by lambda into 100. 3 lambda by 4. Lambda cancel into 100. 4 2s are 8. 25 into 3 25. Okay, so this is a simple explanation, guys. Just have to relate this relation. Remember this. Next question. Let's move. Okay. So we'll do up to 40. Next 10 questions in the other video. Okay. Okay.